Are governments really manipulating the weather? Could the trails of white vapor crisscrossing our skies be part of a nefarious plot to control climate, population, or even our minds? Welcome to an exploration of one of the most persistent conspiracy theories of our time, chemtrails and weather manipulation. For those unfamiliar, chemtrails refer to the belief that the condensation trails left by high-flying aircraft are actually chemical or biological agents deliberately sprayed for sinister purposes. These purposes, according to theorists, range from weather manipulation to population control to geoengineering. Now let's dive into the science. Condensation trails or contrails form when hot jet exhaust cools rapidly in the frigid upper atmosphere, causing water vapor to condense into visible ice crystals. This is a well-documented meteorological phenomenon. But could something more be going on? Many point to geoengineering as a possible answer. This is the idea of deliberately altering Earth's natural systems to counteract climate change. Ideas range from carbon capture to solar radiation management, which involves reflecting sunlight back into space. Some theorists suggest that the substances supposedly being sprayed into the atmosphere are part of such a scheme. However, it's important to note that while geoengineering is a field of study, it remains largely theoretical. No large-scale geoengineering projects have been officially undertaken, and the potential risks and benefits are still under intense debate in the scientific community. What about weather manipulation? This isn't just the stuff of science fiction. Cloud seeding, a technique used to encourage rainfall, has been in use since the 1940s. However, it's a far cry from the global climate control suggested by chemtrail theorists. Cloud seeding involves dispersing substances like silver iodide into clouds to stimulate the precipitation process. It's a localized technique with limited scope and effectiveness. Then there's the question of evidence. To date, no credible scientific study has found evidence of harmful substances in contrails. Governments and international agencies, including the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency and the World Meteorological Organization, have repeatedly debunked the chemtrail theory. So where does that leave us? While it's true that unconventional methods to combat climate change like geoengineering are being considered, and techniques like cloud seeding do exist, there's a vast difference between these and the global conspiracy suggested by chemtrail theorists. The theory lacks factual basis. It's a classic example of how misunderstandings, fears, and a dash of truth can combine to create a compelling but misleading narrative. In conclusion, while the sky may be full of contrails, the evidence suggests they're just that. Contrails, not chemtrails, not covert government operations, just the visible result of the scientific process of hot jet exhaust meeting cold upper atmosphere air. So next time you look up and see those white streaks across the sky, remember, not everything is as it seems at first glance. Critical thinking and scientific understanding are our best tools for separating fact from fiction. And that's the end of our journey for today. If you enjoyed this video, show your support by giving a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to the channel. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and as always, keep looking up.